I'm gonna show you two things you can try if you wanna fix Roblox freezing. So the first thing is updating your drivers. So whether you use AMD or GeForce Experience, all you have to do is open up this piece of software. So for me it's red because AMD, but your graphics card might be GeForce or NVIDIA, and you have to open up the GeForce Experience. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So just double click on it and this piece of software should pop up. Basically all we have to do is right here where it says current version, you have to click on check for updates, and if there are any updates you should update your drivers for your video card. Now it looks similar for NVIDIA users as well. Now that's the first thing that you have to do. The other thing that you have to check, go to your computer search and search for Roblox player. Here, after you find the app, right click on it and then click on open file location. So locate the Roblox player, right click on it, then select properties and go to the compatibility mode. From here, these won't be checked. So all we have to do is mark this, run this program in compatibility mode 4, and from the drop down menu select Windows 7, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. So after you have checked these three options, click on apply, click OK, and hopefully this fixes Roblox freezing for you. So leave a like and subscribe if it helped you out. I will see you next time. Bye bye.